One common issue that iPhone 14 Pro users encounter is the inability to download apps. If you're having trouble downloading apps on your iPhone 14 Pro, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. So in this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone 14 Pro that can't download apps. But before we proceed, we'd appreciate it if you could support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Now let's dive into the troubleshooting steps. First solution: check your internet connection. The first thing you should do when you can't download apps on your iPhone 14 Pro is to check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. A weak or unstable connection can prevent apps from downloading or cause them to download slowly. Try resetting your network settings, restarting your router, or connecting to a different network to see if the issue persists. Second solution: check Apple's system status. Sometimes, issues with downloading apps on your iPhone 14 Pro may be caused by a problem with Apple's servers. To check if there's a widespread issue, go to Apple's system status page and see if the App Store is marked with a yellow or red dot. If it is, you'll need to wait until the issue is resolved before trying to download apps again. Third solution: update your iPhone software. It's important to keep your iPhone 14 Pro software up to date to ensure that it's running smoothly and to fix any known bugs. To check if an update is available, go to Settings, General, and tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. This can often resolve issues with downloading apps. Fourth solution: reset all settings. If none of the above steps have worked, you may need to reset all your iPhone 14 Pro settings. Open Settings and then tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset to reveal the options and then tap Reset all settings. Enter your security lock and then proceed with the settings reset. This will reset your iPhone 14 Pro settings to their default values. This procedure will not delete any data, but you will need to re-enter some settings like Wi-Fi passwords. We hope this troubleshooting guide has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to reach out for assistance. Have a great day.